Hi dear students, welcome to a brand new video of UGC NET English. So today we are question number 70. Who among the following is do not belong to the angry young men generation of the British playwrights and the novelists? So this is like very nice. Previously it was a lake school poetry. Now we are talking about the angry young men. The answer to this question is J.B. Priestley. And what is this angry young man? A group of British in the 1950s were known for their disillusionment with the establishment classy system and post-war British society. They didn't like it. Post-war means Second World War. And they were bold. They were like working class voices and citizens for the traditional institutions, social equality, and the middle class complacency. So this term became popular with John Osborne. John Osborne 1956 play on Look Back in Anger, which particularly launched the movement actually. So Kingsley Amis was very famous for the Lucky Gem, for the novelist, and Colin Wilson was famous for the Outsider. It's a philosopher and the novelist, and that's it for this one. J.B. Priestley was belonged to the earlier generation, active between 1930s and 1950s, known for the work of the Inspector Calls or Time and the Conways, like this. So let's go for the next one. Which one of the following is coined the term of the stream of consciousness? The answer is May Sinclair. So what is the stream of consciousness? It's like a literally technique that attempts to capture the natural and continuous flow of a characters' thoughts, feeling, and memories on a chaotic and non-linear form, and it mimics how this fragmented emotional and associativeness can happen together. So, who coined the term? May Sinclair is actually a British novelist and first used the term in our literary context in 1918. Okay, just after the First World War, in the reviews of the novels of the Dorothy Richardson. Okay, so this was a very nicely created one. Famous practitioners of the technique was James Joyce for the work of Ulysses, a portrait of the artist. Style example is like unpunctured thoughts and shifting pop. Virginia Woolf, like Mrs. Dalloway, or To the Lighthouse. So here in this case, this is an inner consciousness instead of stream of consciousness, inner consciousness and emotional rhythms. And the Marcel Proust for In Search of Lost Time. It's like a long reflective statements and sentences. It's like memory. So Joyce, Woolf, and Proust used it, but Sinclair named it. Okay. So next we proceed to question number 72. Who among the following is not a novel written by Jean Rice? Answer to this question is Golden Child. Yes, Golden Child. Who was James Rice? So he's like a Dominican born British novelist and famous female, exploring the themes like female vulnerability, alienation, colonial and post-colonial identity. So best known for her prequel to John Eyre. So its name was Oiled Sargasso Sea. Written in 1960, she written in 1966 actually. Novels of her was like Quartet, then Good Morning Midnight, like Voyage of the Dark in 1934, Wild Sargasso Sea. These are like very famous. And what was about this Golden Child? What is this about? So Golden Child is a novel by Claire Adam, published in 2019. It's relatively new, and it is set in the Trinidad and tells the story of a father's difficult choice between two twin sons. Okay, very difficult choice. And Claire Adam is a contemporary author, and the book has no connection to Jane Rice. Okay, so in the next video we will be doing some more. This is my WhatsApp number. So for classes, queries, and any questions, no matter how silly it is, just ask me.